With the blessings of nature, our country is furnished with a lot of rivers, canals and floodplains. Especially the south and southwestern part of the country is endowed with a lot of coastal rivers, canals, tributaries and floodplains, including the mangroves. The tidal brackish water, including floodplains and mangrove ecosystem, offering breeding, feeding, nursing and grazing ground for plenty of marine and coastal aquatic species. Among them, several fishes and crustaceans are fished commercially, and mainly two species are farmed extensively. Due to availability, Penaeus monodon, also known as black tiger shrimp, Bangladesh is popular in the shrimp world for producing and exporting shrimps. Black tiger of Bangladesh is special and unique because of the fact that it is good at looking, bigger in size, especially for its unparalleled taste and flavor. Almost all the shrimps are produced in extensive types of farming without using any drugs and chemicals, even in commercial feeds. Normally, black tiger is farmed in coastal tidal flats, devoid of any mangrove vegetation. Hence, there is no need to destroy any mangroves for its cultivation. Cultivation of shrimps is carried out by pollution-free tidal seawater. Due to taking different government initiatives, farming practices are improving and socio-environmental hazards are reducing gradually. Hence, the shrimp and prawn farming in Bangladesh is environment-friendly and socially acceptable. Welcome to MUC Foods Ltd. Our factory is 100% export-oriented and one of the leading shrimp processing factories in Bangladesh. Mr. Subal Chandra was founded this factory in 1985. Since then, this factory has been producing a lot of shrimp products and exporting these in 19 different countries with name and fame. At present, this processing plant is equipped with a lot of good machineries and facilities. Around 200 trained and experienced workers have been working here to produce safe, quality and sustainable frozen food products. It is certified by BSCIC, HACCP EU in compliance with the international standard. We are very much aware about the national and international food rules and regulations. Always try to comply with national and ILO labor laws and try to maintain a congenial and safe working environment for the employees. As per labor rules, we do provide all the due facilities, regular health checking and treatment services to the employees and provide entertainment daycare facilities to their babies. Our key personnel have over 2 decades of experience in the industry to ensure that MUC Foods Ltd maintain its unique position of professional management teams, nurture various benefit schemes with effective training and educational programs. We do collect shrimps and prawns from selected farms. All these farms are located at Khulna, Satkhira and Bagherhat districts, the southwest coastal area of Bangladesh. Selection is based on the farm's location, management and farming practices. We do consider those farms as our suppliers, which are registered with the competent authority for maintaining traceability. Those are located apart from any pollution source. Those farms are farmed under good aquaculture practices. Besides the local competent authority visits, our trained and experienced field staff paid regular visits for advising and monitoring the good practices of farming. Due to low-density culture, it does not require any antibiotics, growth hormones, and any other chemicals which are injurious to human health. Farmers collect shrimps from farms in a completely natural way. Normally, monodon shrimp farming areas are not integrated with any other agricultural crops, so that the chances of mixing pesticides, herbicides are least. Shrimps are normally harvested by selective gears such as cast nets and traps with minimum stress and maximum hygiene. We do like to harvest shrimp in the presence of our field staff. During the harvest, proper cares are taken to remove mud, organic matter and debris. After catching, shrimps are taken into landing sites beside the farms. After rough sorting, the shrimps are washed, weighed and immediately killed in chilled water. Then shrimps are properly iced in insulated containers. Shrimps are taken into small or large insulated trucks for immediate transportation to factory. In the processing plant, shrimps are landed in a cool room from the transport van. Shrimps are accepted in the factory only after getting satisfactory temperature and physical condition. Then farmer's information card and supplier certificate are collected from each box and sent to the concern for maintaining traceability. We have a state-of-the-art laboratory that conducts various tests every day. Our newfangled technology meets international standards of food safety regulations, including HACCP and BSC. Shrimps are then separated from the ices, cleaned properly and sorted according to export grade. After grading properly, shrimps are transferred to different process lines. Our factory is equipped with several well-organized process lines such as P&D, PUD, PDTO, Easy Peel and many other cook products. As per requirement, shrimps are beheaded properly, washed either in pressure or sufficient cold water, graded, weighed and panned by our experienced workers according to our approved HACCP guidelines. Sufficient flake ice, chilled and super chilled potable water are used to maintain a proper cool chain in all the process lines. The quality department along with supervisors and monitors remain always active to oversee the deviation, if any, and provide guidelines and keeping records. According to product's nature, freezing is done in plate freezers, blast freezers and IQF machines. In all the cases, the freezer's temperature is maintained -35°C to -40°C along with product core temperature -18°C to -20°C. According to buyer's demand, sometimes some shrimp products are treated with STPP and common salts as per country or international guidelines. Our IQF processing unit, having processing capacity 500 kg per hour. After freezing, all inner and master cartons are printed and marked with the required information and then sealed with semi-autonomous wrapping machine for following export quality packing and then gone through a metal detector machine before exporting to the destination end. Stored product boxes are loaded to an insulated van for transporting to shipping point. Cares are taken to maintain cool temperature during loading, unloading and transport. From beginning to the end, we always maintain the quality of the products and customers' satisfaction. Product quality is our top priority. We are producing Penaeus monodon, also known as black tiger. There are different types of Penaeus monodon like BT HLS Easy Peel, BT Head-on Body Peel Skewer, BT Tail-on, BT PND and so on. We also produce Macrobrachium rosenbergi, which is known as freshwater scampi. There are different types of Macrobrachium rosenbergi like FW headless shell on EZP, FW headless shell on block, FW headless shell on FW butterfly cooked. For the last 35 years, we are maintaining a flourishing portfolio of clients in Europe, Asia, Middle East. Including rigorous and healthy policies, we attach location and temperature tracer device to each ship so that we and our customers can be aware of the location and temperature of our products from start to finish. Our farmers never compromise with taste and quality, so they are farming in a natural way. And we, MUC Foods Ltd, proudly representing this natural product in the international market, we wish that we'll be able to expand our business. Our farmers will gain more benefit and they will get more prices. We wholeheartedly invite you to visit our factory, which is regarded as the most flourished seafood processing factory in Bangladesh for its exceptional capabilities and capacity. MUC Foods Ltd, trusted partner of quality frozen shrimps and fishes across the globe.